Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm taking you on a complete tour of a camper van that looks simple at first glance, but the deeper you explore it, the more impressive it becomes. From its bold exterior presence to its intelligently designed interior and smooth road performance, this van is built for people who crave freedom, comfort, and adventure all in one package. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see why this setup feels like a luxury apartment on wheels. Starting with the exterior, the first thing you notice is the confident stance. The body design is clean, modern, and purpose-built. It's tall enough to feel spacious inside, yet streamlined enough to remain aerodynamic on the highway. The durable tires and solid build quality immediately suggest that this van is ready for more than just city streets. Large side windows allow natural light to flood the interior while maintaining a sleek and refined look from the outside. Up top, you'll find roof space designed for extra gear, whether that's outdoor equipment or additional storage solutions for long trips. And when you're parked at a scenic location, the extendable side awning transforms the exterior into a comfortable outdoor living space in seconds. It's practical, it's stylish, and it's built for real adventure. Moving toward the rear, the wide-opening back doors make loading and unloading effortless. Whether you're packing camping gear, travel essentials, or outdoor equipment, accessibility is simple and efficient. Everything about the exterior tells you this vehicle was designed for actual travelers, not just showroom display. Now step inside, and this is where things get really interesting. The moment you enter, the space feels surprisingly open and thoughtfully arranged. The layout maximizes every inch without making it feel cramped. Light tones and modern finishes create a bright, welcoming atmosphere that instantly feels comfortable. The driver and passenger seats swivel around, seamlessly integrating into the living space and expanding the usable area. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference. Right behind the cockpit is the lounge and dining area. The seating is supportive yet comfortable, perfect for relaxing after a long drive. A central table allows you to enjoy meals, work remotely, or simply sit back with a coffee while enjoying the view outside those large windows. This space adapts to your needs throughout the day, making it both functional and inviting. The kitchen setup is compact but impressively efficient. You get a built-in cooktop for preparing warm meals, a sink with running water, and cleverly arranged storage compartments for utensils and groceries. The counter space is optimized so meal preparation feels natural rather than restrictive. A refrigerator keeps your essentials fresh for extended journeys, making this van capable of supporting long-term travel with ease. It's minimal in size, but it delivers everything you actually need. Toward the rear, the sleeping area provides a comfortable and supportive bed designed for real rest after long adventures. Underneath the bed, you'll find smart storage compartments that keep luggage and gear organized and out of sight. Overhead cabinets add even more storage without crowding the room. The entire sleeping zone feels efficient, calm, and surprisingly spacious for a mobile setup. This camper also includes a compact bathroom area with a toilet and shower combination, offering convenience and independence on the road. Whether you're camping off-grid or traveling long distances, having a private bathroom changes the entire experience. Water systems, power management, and ventilation are integrated smoothly, supporting comfortable living wherever you decide to park. Now let's talk about performance, because comfort means nothing if the drive isn't enjoyable. Despite being fully equipped as a living space, this camper van handles smoothly and confidently on the road. Acceleration feels responsive, highway cruising remains stable, and the suspension absorbs imperfections comfortably. Steering feels controlled and predictable, reducing fatigue on long drives. It offers the perfect balance between power and manageability, making it suitable for both experienced travelers and those new to van life. What truly makes this camper van stand out is its balance. It doesn't try to overwhelm you with unnecessary complexity. Instead, it focuses on smart design, efficient storage, practical comfort, and real-world usability. Every feature feels intentional. Every space feels purposeful. And that's exactly what makes it so impressive. So whether you're dreaming of weekend escapes, cross-country road trips, or full-time life on the road, this camper van delivers the freedom to explore without sacrificing comfort. It's not just a vehicle. It's independence on wheels. It's your home wherever the road leads. If you enjoyed this full tour, Make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you take this camper van on your next big adventure? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.